this video, makikita nyo, meron akong hair elastic. Goodness me, I'm already fatty. Eat more. But anyway, yes. In this video ay mag-haircut tayo. Ayan, gugupitin na natin ang ating hair. Kasi, you can see, it's dry na and it's Saturday morning. Ayan. So, ito ngayon yung gagawin natin kung paano natin ngayon mag-self haircut. Ayan. So, ganito na siya kahaba. And see that? Ganito na kahaba ang ating hair. And hindi alam ni Mr. na gagawin natin to. Supposedly, ang challenge ko sa kanya is to my husband cut my hair. Pero, takot siya gawin. So, yeah, I'm gonna do it by myself. Grabe, ang taba ko talaga. But anyway, yeah. So, in this video, ay mag-haircut tayo. So, yes. So, wala din akong proper scissor. Kitchen scissor. I just gonna do... Oh, yeah. So, yeah. We just needed to cut this hair. Tignan natin kung gaano siya kaiksi. But, first, okay, I just need to brush my hair. Though ginawa ko na to dati guys, nung nasa Singapore ako. So this is how you are going to cut your own hair. Just put all your hair in front of you. And then, just do this. So we just needed to tie this up. Oh goodness. I'm quite scared guys. Siya. Oh, siya na. Alright, so this is how I cut my hair. So of course, we should cut it just this long. And then we were just gonna do it again later. So, like when you are cutting it, you just needed to get this like here. Or lower down your... Parang ang iksi lang yung matanggal. So, here you go. Oh, we just needed to cut this hair. So, yeah. So, this is how the way I cut my hair, guys. Since UK is locked down, so I just needed to come closer so you can able to see. Oh, so I need to stand straight. Then, just you can see my chin. There you go. So I was just cutting just below of my chin. Yeah. So just cutting it just below of my chin. Or just a little bit lower to start. And then we will see again later. So I'm just gonna put like this and cut it just on the bottom. Good luck. Yeah. And I will be using my kitchen scissor kasi wala kami. So actually, I am just here in the kitchen, and it's easy to clean here in our kitchen. Yeah. Of course, it's not easy to cut, guys. Okay, can you see that guys? I'm sorry, it's just turned off my camera. But yeah, this is how it look like. No, look at this. It's really uneven because of this. Look at my hair on the bottom. I'll show you guys my hair. How could I able to show you that? Wait, but anyway, I'll show you later. We just needed to turn this a little bit because this is really uneven. I'm sure this is really short, guys. Short hair. But anyway, I'm just gonna do something, so we will see now. Are you ready for this? Yeah. Hi. Hi. Yeah. So this is how it look like after my haircut. And my mister doesn't really have any idea. Oh my goodness, look at this. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at that. Are you ready to see my face? Okay guys, I have decided to make it a little bit shorter. So I'm using kitchen clip. So we will see what's gonna happen here. So yeah. So look at this, guys. Hopefully they are now even, because I've decided to make it shorter, and that is the way. Oh, look at this. Oh my gosh. Hopefully I did the right thing. So I think it's shorter now, guys, right? Look at that now. See? What do you think, guys? Yeah, I think it's shorter now. I like it that way. So yeah. That's done. Nothing is perfect pag ginagawa mo yung sarili mong haircut. So if that's it, guys, for this video. Again, I made it a little bit shorter. Yeah. So there you go, guys. Again, because I did it shorter. Okay. I think that's fine now. Okay. Yeah, that's it. Alright guys, that's it for this video. This is the end of my haircut video. So, if you guys like this video at gusto nyo ring itry ang aking haircut style, just please give me a like if you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet, and don't forget to click the bell button so you will be notified whenever I have new videos. So yes guys, thank you so much for watching. Until in my next vlogs, sana nagustuhan ninyo ang aking new haircut. Yan, para-paraan na lang para magka-haircut tayo, and not bad using kitchen scissor. So doing my haircut with kitchen scissor, but I will be washing this guys and soak it in a hot water, of course, clean it para naman dahil yung hair natin. Yeah, anyway, thank you so much guys for watching. Until in my next vlog, bye. Okay, now that my hair is wet, I have finished my shower. As you can see, this is now how it look like when it's wet. This one is more just like uneven on the bottom, and the other side is more layered effect. As you can see, there's more layer, and this one is, it's not that much layered happening. So it's kind of a haircut, a straight haircut on the bottom, and this one is just a layer on the bottom. So yeah, so this is how it's look like when it's wet. Can you see? Not too bad for a haircut guys, so you can see. And into this part as well, as you can see, they are like, this one is longer to this side, and also, and here they are more layered to this side guys, into my right side than left side. But yeah, I think that is fine. Nothing is perfect when you're doing your own hair. And this is also how it's look like at the back. Now it's wet. Can you guys see it? See? Yeah. It's nice at the back, isn't it? I saw myself in the mirror of the bathroom, and yeah, so like a straight on the bottom. Can you see this is straight down there? So yeah, that's how it's look like. Okay. Not bad for self haircut. Not bad. Thank you guys.